the entire Nyeri leadership, we want to say congratulations for hosting this marathon in remembrance of a great Kenyan. If there is one thing that brings this nation together, it is sports. Even as the political class and the leaders in this country strive to build bridges of friendship across all our communities and our political affiliations, sports is a stronger, firmer bond of bringing all of us together. And even in the participations that we have seen in this marathon, we have people from across Kenya who came to participate in this marathon. And we want to say that this is a great moment for our country.